Sketch the graph of y equals tangent parentheses x plus pi over 2 minus 1. This is what we're looking at. We're not going to see any stretching or shrinking or compressions or whatever you want to call it. We're not going to see any changes in period because there's no number in front of x. So that's thing number one. The period of a tangent function is pi, not 2 pi, so there's a difference. Normally, what a tangent looks like is it goes through 0, 0, if I knew how to draw, and then has vertical asymptotes at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2, right? And then so you would see like, a continuation 3 pi over 2 or negative 3 pi over 2, yada, 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 yada. This is telling me that I have a phase shift. And since it's a positive pi over 2, whatever's inside the parentheses with x is opposite of what you think. Normally you think positive means right, don't you? This means left. So my guy goes through the center of no longer 0, 0. I'm going to move my center to pi over 2, negative pi over 2. So there's my center now. Okay. Boom. Also, I'm subtracting 1. So I'm going to move this center down 1. So this guy is now going to go through at the point negative pi over 2, negative 1. So since I have a period of pi, that means every half a pi to the left and to the right of where it goes through is going to be a vertical asymptote. So every little unit here is a quarter of a pi, so there will be a vertical asymptote through the y-axis. There will be a vertical asymptote through negative pi. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bump over 2 so I have my center again. Over 2, vertical asymptote. And then right 2, center, right 2, asymptote. Right to center, right to asymptote. If you sing it, it makes it easier. That's not true because I'm about to botch this. Let's try to make this as pretty as possible. I already failed. Boom. Boom. I'm really bad at drawing these, but you kind of get the idea. Boom. Boom. All right, so that's what it's supposed to look like. Thanks for watching.